Whoever watching this video is super lucky because I'm about to teach you how to make the best kimchi fried rice in your life. Like, I'm not even joking. At this point of my life, I'm literally the CEO of Kimchi Fried Rice. What we're doing here is making green onion oil, but using only white parts of green onion. Now we're gonna add some well-fermented kimchi, and of course, you have to use really good kimchi to make delicious kimchi fried rice, like Jenna's kimchi. Cook the kimchi until it gets a bit wilted, and then we're gonna use soy sauce, but we're gonna burn this soy sauce. This really changes the game. Just wait until most of the liquid evaporates and then mix the sauce with kimchi. Let's add just a tiny bit of sugar. In this recipe, 1-day-old rice is way better than freshly made rice. Let's also add some more kimchi juice for the better flavor. Turn down the heat and add some good quality Korean sesame oil. Flatten the rice and let's wait a little to burn that bottom. It's so good. Save this reel and thank me later.